So picture this. I walked into cosmetology school, fully determined to be a barber. I was ready to learn all about it, from the shape-ups to the sharp fades, clean lines to beard trims. My mindset, nails? Nah, not even close. Hair? Yes, hair was my calling, so I thought. I didn't even realize what was in store for me, honestly. I didn't even realize that there was going to be a little detour in my training and that would open a door I never even saw coming. In barbering class, I just didn't feel the passion. I was surrounded by clippers, shears, endless mannequin heads, and professional barbers who just came to school to get their licenses to work legally. Imagine how intimidating it must have felt in there with all of them professionals, doing their one or two and feeling so confident while they work. I loved the vibe in there, however, the artistry just didn't grab my interest for too long. Fast forward to halfway through my barbering program, I graduated to the senior class, which shared the same space with the nail class, so I basically saw them working all the time. Now let me tell you, my first couple of weeks there felt like stepping into a whole nother universe. The nail students were like fully in their element. They were hunched over with their brushes, painting intricate designs, tiny nail tips. I just felt so wow, like that looks intense. I could never do that. Like that just looks like a lot. But something about it captivated me. I literally couldn't stop watching them. Watching them turn a blank nail into like a little work of art. It was captivating to me. It was mesmerizing. I literally couldn't look away. One day during my lunch break, I went there again to watch them work. And one of the nail students, we could call her Lara. Lara caught me staring and we got acquainted, and she became my go-to person when I had questions relating to nails, nail supply, nail design. She actually recommended Shein, but I'm too loyal to Temu. I don't know what they've done to me, but all of the stuff I have right now in regards to nails or anything, or most things, I got them from Temu. And it was just a beginning to a beautiful love story. I began watching tutorials on nail designs, nail art, acrylic applications, and I started ordering tools and supplies. And before you know it, I was bankrupt. I'm joking. But before you know it, I was buying everything. I was hooked. I literally would wake up watching videos, go to sleep watching videos. I decided, you know what? I'm just gonna document this journey of mine. And that's why I opened up this YouTube channel, actually, just to document what I've learned, me practicing the nails. I know I'm not perfect yet. Please don't judge me. But yeah, I'm just hooked when it comes to nails. Like, I really love the creativity, it awoke in me. I began to see every nail as a little, like its own little blank canvas. And I could just do anything I wanted on the nail bed. I would never forget my first acrylic application. It was horror, to say the least. But I was determined to get it right. I'm still practicing. I'm still a work in progress, but I'm determined to make sure I am perfect at it. Hopefully I can look back at this video or my previous videos and be like, yo, you've come a long way, girl. And that simply just came from me trying out new things. Nails basically lets me express myself in a way I can't explain, because I've always had a flair for artsy stuff or art in general, but nail basically awoken that creativity in me. It's let me express myself in a whole new way, and the best part is that it showed me that sometimes our passions can be found in a place where we least expect it to. So it's like, I just thought that hair was all I'd do for the rest of my life, but I didn't realize that, nail is actually something that I would actually find my passion in. So basically, This video is just to tell you that if you're feeling stuck, if you're feeling like, you know, there's nothing you can do, or what you're doing is not something that you have a lot of passion in, then try something new. Try to get out of your comfort zone and you might discover something amazing. If you've ever felt like you've stumbled upon a passion that surprised you, or feel like there's something that you'd want to try, let me know in the comment section. I'll be replying to all comments. And thank you so much for tuning into my story time, and I'll see you in the next one. Please enjoy the video, and if you rock with my content, subscribe, like, and I'll talk to you later. Enjoy the video. Love and light. Bye.